First up, we have the Klein Tools 2-inch Power Strip Pro, a game changer for job site power. This isn't just a standard power strip. It's built with a rugged housing to survive the toughest shop. With its compact 2-inch profile, it fits perfectly in tight spaces while providing reliable electrical outlets. It features integrated mounting holes so you can secure it directly to your workbench or work vehicle. The heavy-duty cord ensures that you get consistent power delivery to all your diagnostic and charging gear. Klein has also included a built-in circuit breaker to protect your expensive electronics from any surges. It is the professional solution for anyone needing a durable and compact power hub in the field. Next on the list is the Ulsa Tools Grease and Gears Series Magnetic Pry Bar Holder for Ultimate Shop. If your pry bars are currently a mess, this organizer uses high-strength magnets to keep them vertical. It sticks to any ferrous metal surface like the side of your tool chest, saving valuable drawer space. The grease and gears aesthetic looks incredible and matches the high-quality finish of professional mechanic tools. It can hold several pry bars of varying sizes securely, even when you are moving your cart around. The durable construction ensures it won't scratch your surfaces while providing a rock-solid grip on the bars. This holder is perfect for those who want their go-to prying tools within arm's reach at all times. The Bosch GSA 18-volt 24 professional cordless reciprocating saw is a masterclass in portable cutting power for pros. This saw is optimized for one-handed use, making it ideal for overhead work or reaching into cramped spaces. It features the Bosch SDS system, which allows for rapid, tool-free blade changes that save you time. The vibration control technology means you can cut through wood or metal longer without feeling the fatigue. Its 18-volt motor provides a perfect balance of weight and performance, making it a staple for site demolition. The robust design is built to withstand dust and debris, ensuring it lasts through years of heavy-duty use. For any contractor needing a reliable and agile cutter, this cordless reciprocating saw is an absolute must-have. Illumination is key, and the Celely LED 600FX pocket light with Flexi inspection. Light delivers in every way. This pocket-sized powerhouse features a high-output COB LED that can light up an entire engine bay easily. What makes it unique is the secondary flexible inspection arm that reaches into the deepest, darkest crevices. You can bend the light exactly where you need it, which is perfect for automotive or HVAC inspections. It comes with a strong magnetic base and a clip, allowing for hands-free operation in almost any scenario. The rechargeable battery provides long run times, so you aren't left in the dark during a critical repair. It's tough enough for the workshop and small enough to be your everyday carry light for various jobs. Tiling just got a lot more precise with the Bihui Tools LFTF V6 multi-angle tile fixer and adjuster. This tool is a lifesaver for installers working with large format tiles who need to eliminate any lippage. It features high-quality vacuum suction cups that grip the tile surface firmly for controlled shifting and leveling. The multi-angle adjustment knobs allow for micro-adjustments in several directions to ensure a perfectly flat finish. Built from durable aluminum and steel, it's designed to handle the heavy pressures of professional tile setting. It reduces the physical strain of positioning heavy slabs and guarantees a much higher quality final result. If you take pride in your tile work, this adjuster is the specialized gear that will elevate your craftsmanship. When winter hits, you'll be glad you have the Matco Tools Telescoping Snow Brush and Ice Scraper. This is a heavy-duty solution for anyone who needs to clear large vehicles or work trucks very quickly. The telescoping handle extends your reach, so you don't have to lean against a cold, wet car to reach. It features a thick, durable brush for snow and a reinforced ice scraper for those frozen solid windshields. The ergonomic grip is designed to be comfortable and secure, even when you are wearing thick winter gloves. Matco built this to survive freezing temperatures without the plastic cracking or the handle snapping under pressure. It collapses down for easy storage in your trunk, making it a reliable companion for any winter morning. The Bihui Tools AGMN100 Plus Mini Angle Grinder is the ultimate compact tool for detail and precision work. This mini grinder is specifically designed to fit into tight spaces where a standard 4.5-inch grinder can't go. It's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver for delicate cutting or grinding tasks on stone or metal. The Plus version offers enhanced motor efficiency and cooling, allowing for longer use without overheating on site. It's perfect for cleaning up tile edges, removing grout, or cutting small pipes in hard-to-reach plumbing areas. The safety guard is adjustable, and the slim body provides an excellent grip for maximum control and safety. This tool proves that sometimes the best solutions come in small, highly specialized, and powerful packages. Dealing with frozen or rusted bolts is a nightmare until you use the Matco Tools 5-piece manual hammer set. This socket sledge set is designed to break loose the most stubborn fasteners that an impact wrench can't. You simply place the specialized socket on the bolt and strike the end with a sledgehammer to create torque. The internal mechanism converts the downward strike into a powerful rotational force to snap the bond loose. It's constructed from premium-grade tool steel to ensure that it doesn't shatter under the intense impact force. This set includes the most common sizes needed for heavy equipment, suspension work, and industrial maintenance jobs. It's the Plan B tool every mechanic needs in their box for when things get stuck and won't move. Keep your job site clean with the Klein Tools Collapsible Dust Bowl 31101, a must-have for every electrician. This smart accessory fits right onto your drill bit and catches all the drywall dust before it creates a mess. The collapsible design is brilliant, as it doesn't take up much space in your bag and is very easy to clean. It works with standard drill bits and hole saws, making it a universal tool for various overhead drilling tasks. Because it is transparent, you can still see exactly where you are drilling for maximum precision on the wall. It's made from a durable, flexible material that maintains its shape even after heavy use in the field. Save yourself time on the cleanup and keep your clients happy with this simple but effective dust solution. The JCB Pro 18-volt grease gun is an absolute beast when it comes to maintaining heavy machinery and vehicles. With a massive output pressure of up to 10,150 psi, it can push grease into the most clogged bearings. It features a variable speed trigger, giving you total control over the flow rate for delicate or large jobs. The 18-volt battery system provides the freedom of cordless movement without sacrificing the power of a pneumatic unit. It comes with a long, flexible hose that makes reaching buried grease fittings much easier on a tractor. An integrated LED light illuminates the work area, which is vital when you are working under dark equipment. It stands on its own, allowing you to use both hands to connect the coupler to the fitting accurately. Cleaning up your driveway or patio joints is no longer a chore with the Betavia 12-volt Fix Brush Cordless tool. This weed brush is part of the Fix Pack 12-volt range, making it lightweight and extremely easy for anyone to use. It features a rotating brush head that quickly clears moss, weeds, and dirt from between your paving stones. You don't need to use harsh chemicals or spend hours on your knees with a manual weeding tool anymore. The adjustable height and ergonomic handle design ensure that you can work comfortably without any back strain. It's sold as a bare tool, allowing you to use your existing Betavia 12-volt batteries to save on the cost. For homeowners who want a tidy outdoor space with minimal effort, this cordless brush is a fantastic investment. The Milwaukee M12 AutoShop Borescope 3151 brings high-definition diagnostic imaging to the modern automotive repair shop. This tool features a 5mm camera head that fits into the smallest spark plug holes or intake manifolds. What sets it apart is the Wi-Fi file sharing, allowing you to send photos and videos directly to a device. You can show the customer the exact issue inside their engine without needing to disassemble the entire unit. The M12 battery system provides a compact power source that lasts for a full day of inspections in the shop. The 4.3-inch screen provides a crystal-clear image, and the digital zoom helps you spot tiny cracks or debris. It is a professional-grade inspection camera designed specifically for the rigors of a high-volume automotive environment. The Makita 40-volt Max XGT 16-gauge rebar tying tool GRT01 is a revolution for heavy-duty concrete construction. This tool can complete a tie in less than a second, which is much faster than manual tying methods. It features a brushless motor that delivers the power and efficiency needed for thousands of ties on a single charge. The XGT 40-volt platform ensures you have the performance of a corded tool with the freedom of being cordless. It has an adjustable tying strength, allowing you to customize the tension based on the specific job requirements. The ergonomic design reduces wrist strain, which is a common injury for workers doing repetitive manual tying work. For large-scale projects, this tool significantly boosts productivity and ensures consistent, high-quality ties across the entire site. The OxPro brick rule is a simple yet essential tool for any mason looking for speed and accuracy. This rule is specifically designed with markings that help you lay out brick and block courses with precision. It features a vertical scale that allows you to calculate the height of your courses, including the mortar joints. Made from high-quality, durable materials, it is built to survive the abrasive environment of a busy masonry site. The clear, easy-to-read markings ensure that you won't make mistakes when measuring out your wall heights or spans. It's a classic tool updated with the quality and reliability that the OxPro brand is known for worldwide. If you want your brickwork to be perfectly level and spaced every single time, this is the rule for you. Drywall Finishing just reached a new level with the TapeTech Sidewinder rotating extendable brakeless box handle. This innovative handle features a rotating design that allows you to maintain a better angle on the wall easily. It is extendable, giving you the reach needed for high ceilings without constantly moving your ladder or your stilts. The brakeless design offers a smoother feel and more control over the pressure you apply to the finishing box. It is built from high-strength aluminum, ensuring it is lightweight enough for all-day use while remaining very tough. The ergonomic grip helps reduce the physical strain on your arms and shoulders during those long finishing shifts. This handle is a game-changer for professional tapers who want to work faster and with much more comfort. The Celely Vacuum Drill Dust Extractor DDE01 is the ultimate multi-tool for anyone who hates cleaning up after drilling. This device suctions itself to the wall using a built-in vacuum, catching all the dust as it leaves the hole. It even features an integrated laser and spirit level, helping you align your holes perfectly every single time. It is powered by a rechargeable 3.7-volt battery, making it completely cordless and very portable for any job site. The vacuum is strong enough to hold the unit on most smooth surfaces, leaving your hands free to drill. It's perfect for installing shelving, pictures, or electrical boxes where you need a clean and precise finish. This is the kind of smart gadget that makes a messy task significantly easier and much more professional. Assembling push-on hoses is usually a struggle, but the Cool Tools EZN Hose Press makes it look easy. This tool uses a lead screw mechanism to push barb fittings into hoses with almost zero physical effort. It eliminates the need for boiling water or lubricants that can contaminate your lines or damage the hose. The kit comes with various adapters to fit a wide range of hose sizes and fitting types for your shop. It is a must-have for automotive enthusiasts, boat owners, or anyone working with plumbing and fluid systems regularly. The compact design allows you to use it in tight engine bays or on a workbench for bulk assemblies. Save your hands from the strain and ensure a perfect, leak-free seal every time with this ingenious press. The Runotech Compact Cable Drum Roller XB500 is a heavy-duty solution for electricians handling large reels of wire. This universal roller can support drums up to 800 kilograms, making it suitable for almost any industrial project. It features a rotating center mandrel that prevents the cable from tangling or bird nesting as you pull it. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to transport between job sites while remaining incredibly stable during use. It can handle damaged drums that wouldn't work on traditional rollers, thanks to its unique flat surface support. The non-slip rubber feet ensure it stays in place on concrete floors, giving you a smooth pull every time. This tool is a massive time saver for anyone who spends their day pulling heavy cables through conduit or trays. Material handling just got a lot easier with the Excision PR50 portable roller for your metal or woodworking shop. This roller is designed to support long pieces of material as they are fed into saws or other machinery. It is highly portable, meaning you can move it around your workspace to wherever you need the extra support. The height is easily adjustable, allowing it to match the height of different workbenches and machine tables perfectly. It features a heavy-duty roller that spins smoothly, even under the weight of thick steel beams or timber. The robust steel frame provides a stable base that won't tip over when you are working with heavy items. For solo operators, this roller acts like an extra set of hands, making heavy material management safe and easy. Rounding out our list is the Malco Tin Master Hammer TMH1, the ultimate tool for HVAC and sheet metal pros. This hammer is perfectly balanced to provide maximum striking power without causing excessive vibration in your hand. It features a high-carbon steel head that is hardened to ensure it lasts through years of heavy metal work. The handle is made from high-quality wood or fiberglass to offer a comfortable grip and great shock absorption. It is designed specifically for shaping and seaming sheet metal, with a face that won't mar your work surface. Malco is known for their high-quality hand tools, and this hammer is a testament to their professional-grade engineering. Whether you are in a shop or on a roof, this hammer will become your most trusted sheet metal companion. That's it for today's top tools. Like and subscribe to Top Tech Tools for more. Let us know your favorite in the comments. See you in the next one.